Thomas, do you think it will explode really good?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Just that. Just at this corner here. Oh, that's where the Ender Dragon's been. Yeah, okay, it's getting strange. When it's just getting really strange. Look. Well, it's finished. Finished. Well, once it's really gonna finish. Okay, I think it's finished. Yeah, it's finished, Thomas, isn't it? So, I just say goodbye. Look at this damage. Anyway, bye-bye. Because it's just a short video on how I just tend to see. This is a stronghold. Can you believe it? We found a stronghold. Okay, this isn't a short video. I'm gonna show you guys anything I see. Got it? Oh, what's in this chest? Anything in this chest goes to my inventory. That's what's spawning everything. But what if you keep us around before? That's spawn skeletons. Yeah, that explains. Okay, how do we get into his chest? Almost really heavy. Here. Right, okay. I'm just gonna tell you guys when I find something. Got it? I've been searching for the last 2 hours and I haven't found anything, so I'll just say bye-bye.